Hello, students. Welcome to today's geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the building blocks of three-dimensional shapes. We will learn about faces, edges, and vertices. These are the essential parts that make up solid figures like cubes and pyramids. First, let's understand what a polyhedron is. A polyhedron is simply a three-dimensional solid shape, but it has specific rules. It must have flat faces, straight edges, and sharp corners called vertices. The word comes from Greek, meaning many seats or bases. Let's break it down. What is a face? In geometry, a face is a flat surface of a solid shape. It is a two-dimensional polygon, like a square or a triangle. If you pick up a box, the flat side you touch is the face. Next, what is an edge? An edge is the straight line segment where two faces meet. Imagine the frame of a shape. That sharp line that connects the corners is the edge. Now, let's look at the vertex. A vertex is the corner point where three or more edges come together. The plural word for vertex is vertices. Think of it as the sharp, pointy bit of the shape. There is a special magical rule in geometry called Euler's formula. It states that for any convex polyhedron, the number of faces plus the number of vertices equals the number of edges plus 2. We write this as F plus V equals E plus 2. Let's test this formula on a cube. A cube has 6 flat faces, it has 8 corner vertices, and it has 12 straight edges. If we add 6 faces and 8 vertices, we get 14. That is exactly 12 edges plus 2. The formula works. Now let's try a triangular prism. It has 5 faces, 6 vertices, and 9 edges. 5 plus 6 equals 11, and 9 plus 2 also equals 11. The math is correct. How about a square pyramid? It has 5 faces and 5 vertices. That makes 10. It also has 8 edges. 8 plus 2 is 10. Euler's formula works again. It is important to know what is not a polyhedron. Shapes like spheres, cylinders, and cones are not polyhedra. Why? Because they have curved surfaces. Remember, a polyhedron must have flat faces only. Let's recap what we learned. A face is a flat surface. An edge is a line where faces meet. A vertex is a corner point, and Euler's formula connects them all. Faces plus vertices equals edges plus 2. Great job today. You now know the parts of polyhedra. Look around you and try to count the faces, edges, and vertices of objects in your room. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.